Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the hair care industry, the OGX Extra Strength Argan Oil Hair Treatment. If you're on the hunt for the best argan oil of Morocco hair oil, you're in the right place. This deep moisturizing serum is specifically designed for dry, damaged, and coarse hair. And it claims to be a game changer for anyone struggling with these hair types. This 3.3 fluid ounce bottle features a potent blend infused with Moroccan argan oil. What sets this product apart is its ability to deeply penetrate and revive your hair, making it feel softer, stronger, and more manageable. The first thing you'll notice is its lightweight texture. It's not greasy, which is a major plus for those of us who don't want our hair weighed down by heavy oils. To use it, simply apply a small amount to the palms of your hands, rub them together, and then work the oil through damp, towel-dried hair, focusing on the ends. This method helps to seal in moisture, ensuring that your hair looks shiny and healthy. Whether you have thick, curly, or color-treated hair, this treatment is versatile enough to cater to various hair types. One of the standout features of this product is that it's free from parabens and sulfates. Many hair care enthusiasts are becoming increasingly aware of the importance of avoiding harsh chemicals, and OGX has really delivered with this formula. The Moroccan argan oil is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which not only nourish your hair but also protect it from styling heat and UV damage. So, what can you expect after using the OGX Extra Strength Argan Oil Hair Treatment? Users often report a noticeable increase in shine, softness, and overall hair health. Over time, with consistent use, this treatment can help revitalize even the most damaged strands. Imagine running your fingers through your hair and feeling it smooth and silky. This product promises just that. If you're someone who struggles with frizz or dry ends, you might find this oil to be a miracle worker. It creates a barrier against humidity, keeping your hairstyle intact and your hair looking fabulous throughout the day. Plus, the scent is subtle and pleasant, making it a joy to use. The best part? It's incredibly affordable. With a price point of around $8, it's a great addition to your hair care routine without breaking the bank. You can easily incorporate it into your regimen after shampooing and conditioning your hair. It's like giving your hair a little luxury treatment every time you wash it. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to transform your dry, damaged hair into luscious locks, the OGX Extra Strength Argan Oil Hair Treatment is definitely worth a try. With its powerful formula and ease of use, it stands out as one of the best argan oils available on the market today. So, why not give it a go? Your hair will thank you. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.